Welcome to our channel, the Kidco Club.
A Learning Horizon.
I am K. K for kite. K-I-T-E spells kite. K for kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O spells kangaroo.
K for kiwi. K-I-W-I spells kiwi.
K for knife. K-N-I-F-E spells knife.
K for kettle. K-E-T-T-L-E spells kettle.
I am L. L for lion. L-I-O-N spells lion.
L for lemon. L-E-M-O-N spells lemon.
L for lotus. L-O-T-U-S spells lotus. L for lamp. L-A-M-P spells lamp. I am M.
M for mango. M-A-N-G-O spells mango.
M for melon. M-E-L-O. N spells melon. M for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y spells monkey. M for mouse. M-O-U-S-E spells mouse. I am N. N for nest. N-E-S-T spells nest. N for necklace. N-E-C-K-L-A-C-E spells necklace.
N for nurse. N-U-R-S-E spells nurse.
I am O.
O for ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H spells ostrich.
O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E spells orange. O for owl. O-W-L spells owl. I am P. P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T spells parrot. P for panda. P-A-N-D-A spells panda.
P for pumpkin. P-U-M-P-K-I-N spells pumpkin.
I am Q.
Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N spells queen. Q for quail. Q-U-A-I-L spells quail. Q for quill. Q-U-I-L-L spells quill.